So how did you convert the servo?
In from the other side, so you can push it from the other side, but I wouldn't recommend doing that because then, So I'm just going to, with a soldering iron, desolder the black and desolder the white. These are not silicon.
So we start with taking bottom part. After that, we can remove it. After that, we can remove it, right? And there you go. So I cannot take it out like this. I think there should be here the locking mechanism. Here. So let's try to take it down, take it out. Then without removing all the gears, I can take it out. Yep. Put this thing back in order to preserve the gears. There we go. Yeah, and the result is like so I'm not sure which one is like the positive or something. I'm gonna guess that they are aligned with the white here. The red should be the red, and I have to replace these two pins on the outer side with the 1/8 watt resistors. Let's do it. So wish me luck that my guess is right. This thing, and I'm just going to cut the middle part of the +1. That's middle pin is the red that I should. Here it is. And next is the resistor. I guess dab it a little more. Yep. That's good. Another one. Now just put it back together. Just make sure that the potentiometer here, the slot is matched with the hinge here. Should be good, right? Should be good, and then insert this side. Yes, quick. Because I think I don't have to unscrew and open it again. Okay, will it kaboom? Will it? Right. Alright. And it's stiff, huh? It's stiff in the window. Yeah. Yeah, it's good in the middle. Okay. And there you go after the modification. From 90 degrees servo, now it becomes about 180 degrees and a little bit more like 200 degrees servo. So I'm going to turn it on in auto mode just to look cool. And now it does again. So okay, it's going to be like it doesn't like switching modes in with this tester, and I think it's going to get caught, right? No. Okay, I will try re-plugging it in again. Let's see. Will it work? No. Okay. Seems good again, huh? Oh, it's good again. Okay, but if I will try it again, because I think it's going to be cool if it is in auto mode and it's going to rotate back from end to end automatically by itself. So I'm going to try to change the mode again, just to make sure that after the modification it cannot operate in the auto mode in this servo tester. Now it is in the center mode, and then it works. It works. Okay, now I have to stop it. Okay, that's strange.